You're all afraid of machines. Well, guess what? I'll have machines sucking my dick. That's right. And what's your plan for the singularity, Eddie? To have them blowing me. All of them. And I've already started with it. I fucking put lint around my cock. I put lint around my Johnson. And the Roomba is fucking sucking my dick. And it sends a message to the other fucking machines in my place. I have a smart fridge. I have a very, very smart toaster oven. I have an extremely bright lamp who's going to Rutgers on a Rhodes Scholarship. I have a coffee pot that's on the spectrum, but I love it just the same. I love it just the same.